Hey guys, did you ever grow up having limited beliefs about money that it was evil? Well, in this video, I want to teach you how to upgrade your beliefs about money. Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. But before we get into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, what I'd love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of those areas as an entire human race on this globe, we would have less hunger, famine, war, disease, and have more health, wealth, and abundance together, and just live as one human unit. So if you believe in similar videos, go ahead and continue watching, subscribe, share, like, and let's jump into it. So when it comes to money, what are some of the first things that you guys think about? Maybe I can help out with that. What about, I have to work really hard for money? Or money does not grow on trees? Or how about this one? Money is the root of all evil. Or money does not make you happy. Or what about this? Just be content and happy with what you have. Don't try and get more. Or if money were that easy to make, everyone would do it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. All rich people are crooks. But the reason why I brought that up is because I just wanted to show you guys that when it comes to money, we all have these paradigms that is programmed into us, into our subconscious mind. So then we grow up having a fear of money and having this negative, thought of money, and we just never try to actually pursue it or to make more of it, because it's not about making more money. But think about it: if you were to do that, you'd be able to bless people in your lives and your families, and even people in your community or organizations that you believe in and give donations to. But again, when we have that negative belief about money, again, we live in fear of it. So then we do is just exchange our time for a paycheck, and we hate the work that we do, but we do it because this is what's programmed into our mind. So I want you guys to really think about that for a minute. And then also too, because we stay stagnant and we never grow, we stay complacent. And then we trick ourselves to believe that we are happy and we're okay where we are. But when you really peel back those onion layers, you see that you're not and you're miserable. But again, with that fear leads to us not taking any risks on things that we believe in, such as new business ventures or investments or whatever it is that we do, because we have this negative thing about money. So again, we don't want to have that. We want to wash our brains. Again, brainwash. People say that. Remember I said that in my last video? Wash your brain of all the gunk that was stored up for many decades, so you can actually learn how to live free and an abundant life. Now, just to set something straight, money does not make you happy, nor can it cure your anxieties or unhappiness. However, it can present you with the options. So if you use it as the tool that it is, it can present you options, and with those options can make you happy. So for example, let's say you had an additional $20,000 sitting around. I know, it's hard to think about, but just bear with me. Let's say after you paid all your bills, you did what you're going through, you have literally $20,000 that you don't even know what to do. So let's say with that, you can go down to your local hospital, church, or organization and bless them with that $20,000. Or maybe a family member that's struggling, need a little bit of help, support. You can just give it to them and let them know that, hey, this is just a gift from me to you. Imagine how great that would make you feel if you were able to do that and not have it, hurt the bank or put you in a financial devastation. So that's what I mean by that. If you learn to use it as a tool that it is, the options you present that it gives you can make you happy. But now think about this, guys. Again, most people say, hey, well, money doesn't make you happy. Be happy with what you have. Don't try and get more. Don't even think about money. But it's weird because the people who say that typically work like 80 hours a week. They may work 2, even sometimes 3 jobs. For what? Just because they're bored at home? No. We know that's not the reason. It's because they're making what? Money. So isn't it like a contradiction to where don't try and get more, but I'm going to exchange my entire life and exhaust my life source for money? That's weird. So why would someone do that? That just really doesn't make sense. Does it to you? Guys, all I'm trying to say in this very short video is, if you change the way you think about money, you reprogram your subconscious mind, also reprogram your paradigm to actually have positive thoughts and feelings towards money, you would naturally attract more of it into your life. And with that extra abundance, you actually will be able to, again, help other people out, because that's what it's about at the end of the day. Don't be selfish and think about yourself, because that's what most people do. They say, me, I, well, I'm okay, I'm happy, I don't need to do that. Again, think about other people, because by you pursuing something greater than yourselves, you're going to become a greater version of yourselves, and you're able to have things what most people will not even be able to dream of, because they stopped and they gave up on that passion and dream, and then you just bless other people. And do you guys remember what I always say? Each one, teach one. That's just my closing statement regarding this. Money isn't evil, any more evil than fire is. It's all in how you use it. So think about money compared to fire. Yes, you can use money for evil and bad, but you also can use it for good. Just like fire, you can use fire to warm a home, cook your meals, cure diseases and infections, or burn down a rainforest or a house, right? So it's all in how you use it. Just think about that and let that marinate into your subconscious. Okay guys, so here's the time to leave you with the quote of the day, and it's by George Bernard Shaw, and he goes, "Never wrestle with a pig. You get dirty, and besides, the pig likes it." So what do you guys think that means? Alrighty guys, well, that's all that I have for you for this video. So again, if you do like these messages and all my content on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when new videos are out. Share these with people in your community and tribe who needs to hear them. Comment below, let me know what you think. And this is Greg with Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day.